Hello everyone, welcome to Buyer Advisor, the best product review channel on YouTube. To make this video, our experts reviewed 100 plus products and picked only the best items for you. All products are available on Amazon. Discount lovers can check below in the description for special product links. So let's get started.
Our number one choice is Wianas Thickened Climbing Harness. This is a beginner's harness, or a causal harness. With high-quality double-back metal buckles and reinforced stitching, it is sturdy, comfortable to wear, and easy to adjust. It fits well on all ages. It's good helper for mountaineering, rock climbing, tree climbing, indoor climbing, fire rescuing, outward band, caving, working on the higher level, etc. Half-body climbing harness, traditional buckle, harness construction distributes pressure to keep you comfortable while climbing comfortable, whereas a good companion for your outdoor sports. High load bearing, all the connections and webbing are very sturdy with reinforced ends to bear your weight and protect your safety at all times. Perfecting for mountaineering, tree climbing, indoor climbing, rock climbing, outward band, fire rescue, working on the higher level, etc. Comfortable cushioning to ensure safety during rock climbing. Premium quality half-body climbing harness, thick, wider and safety waist belt, great for women, men and older children. Our second best climbing harness is Petzl Corax Climbing Harness. The Petzl Corax harness is a versatile and affordable harness that's best for single pitch crag days or gym climbing. It's highly adjustable, thanks to the double buckled waist belt, and could easily be worn over your winter layers. It wouldn't be our first choice for a big mountain multi-pitch or alpine style day, however, due to its bulkier build and lack of ice clipper slots. The new models feature Petzl's dependable, streamlined design that many climbers have come to expect. Well padded and comfortable for both climbing and belaying, thanks to a combination of foam and split webbing. The Sama has a short rise between the waist and leg loops, making it ideal for men. The Selena is a women's style with a higher rise and a different waist belt to leg loop ratio. Pro comfort features like thick nylon webbing and wide foam waist and leg loops contribute to the extra weight. It's a little surprising that the Sama and Selena don't have adjustable leg loops, given their softness. Third pick in our list is New Door Climbing Harness. Made from polyester with a reinforced tie-in point and stitching, this harness will last even under high use conditions like a climbing gym or ropes course. The durable buckle are made of forged steel material, which is safe, reliable and convenient. One equipment ring for hang other climbing gear and not impede climbing. High pulling strength sewing thread is sutured with computerized numerical control machine. Waist belt and leg loop are line-keyed with breathable mesh to ensure comfort in warm temperatures. Two steel adjustable weight and leg buckles allow waist belt to be adjusted and secured in a single movement. There is one tool ring on the right side of the rock climbing seat belts, which makes it so easy to carry more climbing rope, chalk bag, belay device or other tree climbing gear, rappelling gear. Two steel adjustable weight and leg buckles allow waist belt to be adjusted and secured in a single movement. Perfecting for mountaineering, rappelling, tree climbing, indoor and outdoor climbing, rock climbing, outward band, fire rescue, arborist, working, etc. Number 4 in our side is Xvan Climbing Harness. The half-body harness is made of high-strength polyester. High load bearing, all the connections and webbing are very sturdy with reinforced ends to protect your safety at all times. Harness weight limited, 300 kg. Thickened climbing harness fits well on all size, waist 19.6 inch to 51.2 inch, leg 15.7 inch to 32 inch. Quality alloy reinforced adjustable buckle, adjustable leg belt, well on all ages and can be shared by the whole family. Lightweight harness with reinforced belay loop, special construction guarantees excellent weight distribution for optimal comfort. Perfecting for tree climbing, indoor climbing, rock climbing, outward band, fire rescue, working on the higher level, etc. Comfortable cushioning to ensure safety during rock climbing. Number 5 in our top 5 best climbing harness list is Black Diamond Rock Climbing Harness. The Black Diamond Momentum delivers a time-saving design for all styles of climbing. A pre-threaded speed adjust waist belt buckle saves time and eliminates error when tying in, while dual core construction puts an emphasis on comfort, even when you're posted up at a hanging belay. Track fit leg loops easily adjust for cool fall days at the crag or blazing summer days on long multi-pitches, and 4 pressure molded gear loops and a hall loop make this our most popular all-rounder. It's critical to use a harness with sufficient carrying capacity. A 5th gear loop in the back of the guide, in addition to the oversized front gear loops, is a great place to store a water bottle or a pair of approach shoes. The guide, in our experience, has enough room for just about any free climbing rack. Without the use of bulky foam, 3 flat strips of webbing help spread out the load. A multi-pitch harness must provide comfort while hanging, and the guide does just that. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.